here I come, here I go. Here I go.
Okay, so this was our hotel room for the past night. It's really nice. This was the bed. That's my mom. Mom and aunt went to the concert and we waited for them in the car. And yeah, goodbye room, because we're going now to Prater and we're gonna have fun. And this is the kitchen. It's really nice. We got everything here. The dishwasher, that, and over here. No, this is the bathroom. Cute, right? And now we're leaving, so. It's really nice. It's really weird. So hey, Vienna. So now they're driving me to Prater. I'm gonna meet Michael there, and we're gonna go to Madame Tussauds and have a really great time. Here we go. We're in the place, and this is up there.
Michael, hi.
We met on the internet. And he's a really cool guy. Gonna spend the day with him. It's gonna be epic. Yes. Now we're gonna go here. My friend, I'm a Satanist. Oh, hi. Aww. Ow. Ow. Ah, this works. Look. Now you read it in German.
Meine sehr geehrten Damen und Herren, zum zweiten Mal durfte
Stop bringing it. Somebody's gonna bomb us. Call Hillary. Seriously. It says Hillary. What else? Oh, call pizza. Pizza, please. What are we gonna write? Yes. Stop it. Shut up. Thank you. I love you so much. Be my husband. You're so small though.
He's really small.
Stand next. Be normal. So grumpy. Let me help you. So this is kind of like my table. Yeah. Pretty much the same. And my wall. But mine is covered with blood. Bitch, please. I'm an alien. Exactly. Woo! Look at that gayness. You're gay. Gay. Awesome. This was it for today. We had so much fun. Yeah, me too. So I'm going back home. He's going to his aunt's. One of the greatest days of my life.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
You wanna say it?
Subscribe to the channel. Kayaren. Like this video. Comment. Click the bell button.
Yes. Right here. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Whatever.
Ciao.